Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set a username and password in Cisco Packet Tracer. First, open the switch and go to CLI and type Enable. Then type Configure Terminal. Now, create a user with a secret password. Type username and choose a name, for example, test, then secret and type a password, for example, password 123. Next, allow login on the console line. Type line console 0, then login local. Finally, exit. Then, enable login for remote access like Telnet or SSH. First enter line VTY04, then login local. And finally exit. Now set the enable password for privileged mode. Type enable secret, enable 123. Finally save your configuration. Type end. Then write memory. Now let's test it. Go to the physical tab, turn off the switch, then turn it back on. Return to the CLI. When you try to access it, it will ask you to enter the username and password. And that's it. Your switch is now protected with a username and password. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.